going to, I guess we're going to see what we can get done for Paul's brakes and shit today. I guess that's pretty much just going to be the plan. And then while he's also doing that, or we're also doing that, I'm going to probably try and get that passenger side A-pillar done on the Fiero. Get that bonded up. I just bought some stuff for that, so. But yeah, I'll flip the camera around. We can do some more explanation. Yeah, so like the main thing is we want to rerun this line so it looks nicer. And I'm not too sure after that. So that's the main thing we want to do. So we'll try and get that thing on there. Hopefully we have like paint or something we can paint that with. So we can get that painted, get that painted and put it back on there.
Back there. Oh,
right.
Gold!
You got gold.
I don't know.
And that'll be drying in like 15 minutes too.
Yeah,
so.
I know they're black things.
So we got that, and then there we go. And then I went and got more hardener, and then I got some filler and sandable primer, and then I got some measuring cups. These things, usually you can reuse them when you're done with them. You just leave the brush down in there, and then you can just pull all the leftover resin out with it. And I got like 6 like little like 2-inch brushes. So yeah, I'll try and get this guy to be like that guy. So let's let the party begin. So let's do that. So Paul's tearing this thing down just enough so that way he can give it a quick sand and slap some paint on it. So while he's doing that, I'm gonna run over there and get started on bonding that second A-pillar. Alright, so before. Alright, halfway through, got it grinded down. Alright, we got it sanded and wiped off with mineral spirits. Got our stuff prepped. So let's mix up some resin and get the first layer on. Alright, first layer. And now we let it cure. Alright, there it is, sanded. Got most of it pretty good. I know I got a low spot right here, but we'll deal with that with probably Bondo. So, yeah. Let's tape it, get some primer on there, then we can see where we're at. So let's do that. Use that. I'm gonna give it one more sanding, and then we'll prime it again. And it's done. I mean, as done as it's gonna be. I'm gonna let it all dry up, and then we'll be able to do like glazing putty on it. So, and then we'll have to, eventually we're gonna have to do some more sanding on all this, because we got like little spots. But for now, it's a hardtop. It's complete. So, but yeah, that's this. Back to Paul. All right, looks like we got some primer on there. What is that? The self-etching.
Yeah.
So, some self-etching primer.
Around.
Yeah, just whatever's laying around. So now he'll paint it. I guess he's doing some sort of black, high gloss black, high performance enamel.
15-minute fast dry even.
Dang. So get that done. All right, so we got this guy bolted back on, and right now we're gonna take off this line, which is for passenger side front, and we're gonna redo that. He's grabbing some plastic right now. We're gonna put it all down so that way, if we do drip any, it won't hit this beautiful black. So let's do that. All right, so we got that one undone.
We'll hold that.
And now we're gonna undo it down in here. So let's do that. Well, we're off to O'Reilly's because the part we need for the tools, of course, broke. So to O'Reilly's. All right, well, I got this one ran, but we've kind of run into a predicament. We went to O'Reilly's, we got some fittings for that shit, and they're wrong. So we got to figure out what the fuck we want to do. So we'll see what happens. So we managed to get this old one to work, and then a new one we bought actually was right, but this one that we bought was wrong. So now we actually got it to work. Flared on a new flare. Should be good. Alright, so we got the new one in there, bent it down and around the frame rail. It ends up going to right here on the other side. So we'll deal with that after. The main thing is that we wanted that on there before we put that back on. So let's get that back on. Alright, so it runs there, down along the lines, and then up and right there. That looks pretty freaking sweet and clean. So there's that. See where else we go. Alright, well, I think that's going to be it for this one, guys. So we got that A-pillar done, and then we got basically his passenger brake line re-ran, because before they ran from here, went up there, and then like wrapped into their corner, ran across and down. Now this looks a lot cleaner. So all we got to do still is hook up from the clutch master to the slave master, for the slave cylinder for the clutch. And then he's got to order up some stuff so we can do his rear brake. We're going to redo his rear brake line, and basically we're going to put are you going to get a different one, or are you going to just run that one for the brake proportioning? That thing works. It does its job.
Yeah.
It's just not adjustable, which you probably don't even really need to be adjusting.
Yeah, we'll have to move it somewhere, so it's
Yeah, we just got to mount it somewhere. So
yeah.
So we'll probably end up when we redo it, we'll do move the brake proportioning valve that's got there, but we're also going to put in the fuck is it? A line lock. We'll put in an electronic line lock like we tried putting in last year, but hopefully this year we won't fuck it up. Because he's hopefully going to try and find like a better one, not a cheapio. So, but yeah, that's it. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next one.